Today, I am reviewing the MSI Stealth GS77 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming laptop for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're searching for a high-performance gaming laptop that combines power, premium design, and versatility, then the MSI Stealth GS77 might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's start with performance. At the heart of the MSI Stealth GS77 is Intel's 12th generation Core i7-12700H processor. It's a 14-core CPU with a hybrid architecture that delivers the power to run demanding games, creative applications, and multitasking workflows without breaking a sweat. Whether you're gaming, streaming, video editing, or running virtual machines, this chip gives you more than enough headroom to handle it all with ease. Paired with that is 16 GB of RAM and a massive 2 TB solid-state drive. That means not only can you run multiple apps at once, but you also get blazing fast load times and ample storage for your entire game library, for K-video files, or creative projects. This isn't just fast, it's desktop-class performance packed into a sleek and mobile form. Graphics-wise, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 with 6 GB of dedicated video memory delivers smooth frame rates and high-fidelity visuals. It's the ideal sweet spot for gamers who want ray tracing, DLSS support, and AAA gaming capabilities, without the premium cost of higher-tier GPUs. You can confidently play titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Warzone, Elden Ring, or Forza Horizon 5 at high settings and enjoy excellent performance. Now, let's talk about the display. The GS77 comes with a 17.3-inch Full HD IPS panel with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. The screen is large, crisp, and fluid, perfect for fast-paced competitive games like Valorant or Apex Legends, where every frame matters. The thin bezels also enhance immersion, making the viewing experience feel even more expansive. Audio is another strong point on this laptop. With Dynaudio-tuned speakers and Nahimic 3 audio software, the sound is rich, clear, and surprisingly loud for a laptop. Whether you're watching a movie, playing games, or attending a Zoom call, the audio quality truly enhances the overall experience. Design-wise, the MSI Stealth GS77 lives up to its name. It's sleek, professional, and surprisingly thin for a 17-inch gaming laptop. The RGB backlit keyboard adds that customizable gamer touch without being overly flashy. And for those who care about connectivity, this laptop has you covered. It includes Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, USB-C and USB-A ports, an SD card reader, and even an Ethernet jack for lag-free online gaming. On top of that, you get Wi-Fi 6E powered by Killer EX1675 for ultra-fast wireless connections, and the Killer E30-100G Ethernet ensures low-latency gaming when you plug in. For privacy and conferencing, the Full HD infrared camera supports Windows Hello, letting you log in securely with facial recognition. The 1080p resolution also ensures crystal-clear video during meetings and streams. Finally, the laptop runs Windows 11, bringing a clean and intuitive interface, new productivity features, and improved game optimization out of the box. So, who is the MSI Stealth GS77 for? If you're a serious gamer, a creative professional, or someone who needs a large, powerful machine with plenty of storage and performance, this laptop checks all the boxes. It's also a great option for streamers, content creators, and professionals who want premium design and strong specs without sacrificing portability. To sum it up, the MSI Stealth GS77 is a beast in a sleek shell, delivering power, graphics, storage, and connectivity in one complete package.